Sonic Clay. Oh, horses out, yeah, pet hit, PUC, best of the game, moving up now on the outside, Johnny Danny together with King Alexander, Johnny Danny, King Alexander, pet hit, PUC, Alistar in fourth position, and Sonic Clay, King Alexander, Johnny Danny is running wide, the pet hit, PUC, Alistar, Sonic Clay in fifth, then followed by Sabaw when he comes next, victorious Baby Lynn, Johnny Danny, the leader by a night, on the outside is King Alexander, Star in third position, Petit Busy in fourth, and in fifth comes Sonic Clay, then followed by Sabawani on the outside, Judith, and victorious Baby Linda. But Johnny Danny still the leader by Hapalang, King Alexander, and Star. Here comes Sonic Clay in fourth position. Johnny Danny still in front by about 2 lengths. King Alexander moving up, Alistar on the outside, Sonic Clay. Here is still Johnny Danny by about 2 lengths. King Alexander moving up now on the outside, Alistar. Here's Abawani, a long shot now moving up down on the inside. It's still Johnny Danny, Alistar, Saba, one in between horses. Here is still Johnny Danny by about 6 lengths. And finally, Johnny Danny second. Close, Sabawani, Alistar, Sonic Clay.